Hey everybody, how are ya? Good, good. So glad you guys could make it. Check this out. I have this little project I want to do today. All you need is a jar, some sticks, and like a panel that has a spider on it, some lights, and maybe some of that like cotton spider webby stuff. But anyways, I think I got pretty much everything from the Dollar Tree, and this is going to be a nice little thing that I can put at work, or you can put at home, whatever. But dude, I cannot wait to do this. I've been wanting to do it for a minute. So let's do it. Okay, for this project, you're gonna need a jar that has a lid, okay? And you're gonna take the lid off, set the jar aside. Then you need some kind of a panel, you know, some kind of a Halloween-y panel. Now you can get those little lanterns from the Dollar Tree and cut one off of there if you want. I just happen to have a resin mold that has this for one of the panels, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna make my own. So I did, okay? This dude is gonna go right here, okay? And then you take, I don't know what these things are called. You know, it's like a paper clip, but it's not. Whatever this thing is. We're gonna clip it down here, right? And then we're gonna make them do the splits, and we're gonna glue them down right here, okay? So, I have my glue gun ready. All right, so we're good. Now, so he's gonna go like this, right about here in the middle. So I'm gonna push down the little prong thing, and I'm just gonna glue it down. And it's okay if it's a little bit messy, because we're gonna cover that up anyways. Nobody will ever see it. Okay, so now you're gonna take out your lights, and I have these little spider lights that I found. Where the hell's the end? Okay, so do you see? They're little spiders. I don't have the batteries in them yet, so I don't know what they look like, but we'll figure that out. All right, so anyways, you have your lights. Now, what we want to do is we want to put some sticks in here so that the lights have something to go up on, you know what I mean? And also to kind of make it look a little spooky. But we got to remember how tall our jar is. Okay, so it's not very tall. So we need to break some more off. All right, so we're just gonna break it down like that. We're gonna have that guy there. We're gonna have this guy here. We know those are good. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue them down. Okay, so for right now, we're gonna let that dry a little bit longer, but we've got some sticks, okay, and those are what's gonna hold our lights, you know, because this big spider, he lives in the forest, so those are his trees. And then now we're gonna add his lights. And these are, you know, like cord, so we can really maneuver, oops, how we want it to sit. You know what I mean? So like I want this guy to be a little tighter. Maybe he'll just come all the way around, you know? Maybe he wants to live in there. I don't know. Maybe he just broke that little piece of branch off. That's okay though, you know? It's his house. Okay. Okay, so that's that. All right. Now I wonder, yeah, that should be enough. There should be enough cord for the light to go on the top. If I can get this guy to stay right there. Okay, cool. All right. Now the last little thing I want to do, well, next to last, I got some of this stuffing, you know, cotton, what do you call it, spider webby stuff, you know. So I just want to take a little bit and, you know, put a little bit here. You know, just mess with it however you think looks good. Okay, so that's what I put on. I didn't want to do a whole lot. Okay, so now remember I said we were going to cover that up, the glue and stuff. So I have these, it's called tube confetti. And I thought this would be a decent filler. So I've got a couple of different colors. Oh shit. Knew that was going to happen. Alright, now I made a freaking mess. So that's cool. Alright, cool. Gotta get this little dude out of the tree. What are you doing, man? You got caught in the spider's web. There he goes. Ah, shit. Okay. So that's it. And I'm going to put the glass on. Oops. I'm going to put the glass on. And then we'll get the batteries going. And I'll show you what it looks like once it's done. Holy shit, you guys. For your animal fact today, I want to tell you about the huntsman spider, okay? They're really, really big, and they're found in Laos, and they like to live in these certain caves down there. However, they've also been spotted in Florida, Texas, California, Georgia, and South Carolina. So be careful. They have the world's largest leg span, okay? And they can go pretty damn fast. They go like 3 feet a second. 3 feet a second. That's freaking scary. All those legs coming at you that quick. Whoa, dude, fuck that. Anyways, here's the other part. They like the chase. They don't even bother making a web, you know, like most other spiders. Nope. So they just like to go out there and you know, snag whatever they can. They don't care. The last thing I want to tell you is, okay, so when these animals are just crazy, I think. These dudes, when there's a predator coming, do you know how they get away from them? I'm gonna tell you, they freaking do cartwheels. Cartwheels. What the fuck is going on? All right, so one last thing. I got it on here, right? And here's the lights. But I want to add, I got these little spiders, you know? And I just want to put one of them up here. Okay, so they're on a little clip. You know, so I guess we could just put one of them here, you know, crawling up. Yeah, that's cool. And then we'll take another one. We're gonna glue this guy down. Okay, and we're just gonna use hot glue because you can pop that right off. Okay, and then I don't want this clip on here. Let's see if I can get it off of there. Yep, it came right out. So then I think I'll have this guy like right here, you know. And then I think I'm gonna add a little bone right here. You know, like that's what he's got, and maybe that's what the other guy wants. Yep, I like that much, much better. So I'll show you guys at dark time. But anyways, thank you for coming to the show. You know I appreciate you. I got some more stuff in my mind for some Halloween and some fall stuff. So keep watching.